Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Within the PC Settings app window in Windows 8, you can click the General category at the left side of the screen to display general Windows options in the area to the right. Within this category, the options are grouped into 8 main subcategories listed at the right side: time, app switching, spelling, language, available storage, refresh your PC without affecting your files, remove everything and reinstall Windows, and advanced startup. Now, under the Time section, you can select your time zone from the drop-down menu. You can also click the On and Off switch to enable or disable the Adjust for Daylight Savings Time automatically option. Under the App Switching section, you can click the On and Off switch to toggle app switching on and off within Windows 8. Also, you can select to switch directly to the most recent app used when you swipe in from the left edge by clicking the On and Off switch there as well. If you have app switching enabled, you can click the Delete History button to delete the history of apps that you've recently used within Windows 8. Under the Spelling category, you can click the On-Off switch to toggle the Autocorrect Misspelled Words and Highlight Misspelled Words options on or off. Under the Language section, you can choose which language to use by default in Windows 8 by clicking the Language Preferences command in order to open the Control Panel window, which will allow you to select a default language to use for Windows 8. Next, under the Available Storage section, you can see how much space is available for apps on your hard drive. You can click the View App Sizes button to open a separate window that displays the current storage size of all of the apps on your computer. Under the Refresh Your PC Without Affecting Your Files button, you can click the Get Started button in order to open a window and then follow the on-screen prompts to allow Windows to perform a cleanup of your system without having to lose the files that you've created. Note that you do need to be signed in using an administrator computer account in order to use this feature. Now, if you plan on giving away your PC, or you wish to trash all of the content on your computer and simply start over, then you can click the Get Started button that appears under the Remove Everything and Reinstall Windows section, and then follow the on-screen prompts in the window that appears to erase and reset your computer. Note that this is an extreme choice that will completely wipe out all of the files and settings on your computer, forcing you to start over from scratch. So you should do this only if you're planning to give the computer away, or only if you've safely backed up all the files and folders that you wish to keep from your PC first. Once again, you do need to be signed in as an administrator account in order to access this feature. Now, if you need to change the way that Windows 8 boots up by default, you can change the boot and startup settings by simply clicking the Restart Now button under the Advanced Startup section. This is sometimes used by computer professionals in order to allow Windows 8 to boot from an alternate device, such as a USB drive, and is not often needed by most users.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.